Hello everyone, this is Dale Pinkert with ForexStopHunters.com. I want to thank everyone who's hearing my voice, watching this video, for your passion to become a better trader. I want to remind everyone only risk capital should be used when trading high risk, highly leveraged instruments such as FX, futures, options. And this is our pre-non-farm payrolls report. Tomorrow's a big number. We're putting out some work that shows all the inflection points that have occurred in the US dollar and currency pairs after an NFP, and how both in time and price we've had some very important turning points that have been sustained, and magnitudes have been very large at times. All right, we've been talking about looking for a dollar bottom. We've had two decent up days in a row, but I prefer prudence over valor. So those who got long the US dollar Swiss are booking profits. They're flat the market right now. We did have a very good week. We're on the verge of a reversal week, but tomorrow is really a coin toss on a number like that. Tomorrow is more about roulette bet, black or red. I'd prefer to react to the number than try and guess what the reaction would be, where there are air pockets and they run stops with a lack of liquidity at times after the release of the number. As you can see, we've had some nice action. We put in a higher low in Swiss, and so far we've been contained by the 21 EMA on the daily. So once we penetrate this, I do believe there's very good potential for at least a test of these highs, and most likely more up towards par if I'm right about this being a significant turning point in the dollar. We talked about the USD CAD being the weakness, not having the same degree of strength as US dollar Swiss, but still put in some decent action today. We got some stops over here. We're still much lower on the week, but we have somewhat of a positive day, and you have to say we're still holding these lows with as weak as the dollar has been, and the tendency for USD CAD to be weak even when the dollar's strong. This may be a message here that US CAD is putting in the bottom as well. Then we move over to the US dollar yen. We've had a nice little rally off the recent lows. Its give back is more pronounced. This as well, we got flat in front of the NFP and USD CAD. The jury is out here on the yen as well. We've had a nice little bounce, but failed at that 82 level. Strong resistance there. So again, flat the yen going into this NFP. The feature on the downside on the risk currencies has definitely been euro. We pointed out in yesterday's video that on the 4-hour there was some pretty good price divergence with RSI, and that's being confirmed by the action that we've had today. Although again, I would look to be out of this market and flat everything going into NFP today. It is giving the first signs of a break of momentum, although we are oversold. So potentially a major top developing in Euro USD. Here's your weekly chart. To me, it looks like you had an A down, maybe an A, B, C for B or 2. And to me, it looks like if we have equality with this break, longer term, intermediate term targets could be 124 in euro. So just wanted to give everyone an update. Still believe that the dollar, I favor buying the dollar on weakness, but I'm not going to play roulette betting black or red in front of the NFP number. So again, this is Dale Pinkert signing off with ForexStopHunters.com.